Nouns list. Person. This person is happy. Man. The man is nice. Woman. The woman is young. Child. The child is small. Time. The time is 7 a.m. Year. The year is 2019. Week. A week is 7 days. Day. This is a good day. Way. Come this way. Thing. What is that thing? World. The world is big. Life. Life is good. Hand. My hand is clean. Part. I like this part. Eye. My eye is open. Place. This is the place. Work. My work is important. Case. USCIS case number. Point. I see your point. Government. I like the government. Company. Her company is new. Number. This is my number. Group. The group is big. Problem. I have a problem. Fact. That is a fact.